Question GA is a great question. Try not to peek at this until you've had a go at it yourself. This is a good example of when you could actually use simultaneous equations. So we need to write our own formulas, and then we need to use simultaneous equations to solve it. So it's good because you see that there's two people here, and we don't know what either of their ages are. So we can use this to find it out. So we need to write a couple of equations. Let's start with the first sentence. It says Kim is 7 years older than Dean. Okay, so we'll use their first letter, K for Kim, D for Dean. Keep it nice and simple. And it says here that Kim is Dean's age plus another 7 years. Okay, in other words, Kim is 7 years older than Dean. Now, the second sentence, if they're combined ages, so in other words, if we add their ages together, it will equal 97. That means that if we add Kim and Dean's ages together, their combined age will be 97. And now what we've done is we've written our two equations, and we are going to use simultaneous equations to solve it. So we'll call them equation 1 and 2, so we don't get confused. And at this point, we need to choose, do we want to use substitution or elimination? I would use substitution because equation number 1 here lends itself to it nicely. You've got the K sitting out there by itself, so you'll be able to sub it into equation 2 easily. So I'm going to say here to myself, sub 1 into 2, so I know what I'm doing and my marker knows what I'm doing. And I'm going to rewrite equation 2 now, replacing the K with D plus 7, okay? So I've got D plus 7 instead of the K, plus D equals 97. Collect up my like terms. I've got two D's here, the 7, 97. Okay, let's take 7 off both sides. I've got 2D equals 90. Let's divide by 2 both sides. And so we know that Dean is 45. Okay. Now we've got that. I'm just going to scoot up here again, give myself a bit more room. We're going to sub Dean's age, so D equals 45, into equation, let's go into equation 1 this time because we went into 2 on the first sub, okay? And so that means that Kim's age will be Dean's age of 45. Getting this equation here from over here, okay? I'm just saying that K equals D, which is now 45, plus 7, which makes Kim 52. And so now for my marker, I'm just going to write Dean is 45, Kim is 52.